Black Mirror has specific episodes about downloading consciousness, making an AI clone that works while you're off doing other things. Here's the thing, with today's AI capabilities, we're closer to that reality than you think. The full consciousness download isn't here just yet, but there's already a way to make an AI clone that answers your business questions. Take a look at Alex Hormozi. Alex Hormozi created an AI business advisor trained on his books and notes. Iman Gadzhi does something similar. So we're seeing these systems pop up everywhere. So what if you can create one for your business? Can you actually run a company with your AI clone handling all your decisions? That's what we're breaking down today. I'm Aaron. I've been a software engineer for over a decade, and I run a business that helps mid-sized companies build AI into their operations, and it's called Wildfire Growth AI. Here's what I've done for you. I've condensed 40 hours of research into 7 complete documents covering system architecture, cost estimates, database strategy, security protocols, and API integration specifications. This is an AI clone that you can build into your business right now. All you have to do is just take these documents directly to your development team and start building this system today. So what's the real dream here? An AI brain clone that thinks exactly like you do. Your team gets immediate access to your decision-making frameworks without waiting for your calendar to open up. You want your vision and values applied consistently across every single department. So there's going to be no more mixed messages getting lost in translation as they filter down through management layers. And you want your mental bandwidth back for strategic thinking instead of constant firefighting. Instead of answering the same questions over and over, you're focused on problems only that you can solve. And let's be honest, you want guilt-free boundaries, evenings, weekends, and vacations without constant interruptions. Your phone stops buzzing at 11 p.m. with questions that could wait until the morning. The core desire is simple: be present at your business without sacrificing your life. So here's the reality check. We can't actually clone consciousness, but what we can clone is decision-making patterns. And here's how this actually works. You connect your emails, Slack messages, recorded presentations, strategic documents, and even books you've written as train material for your AI clone. You create decision frameworks that teach the system exactly how you think through problems. Then you set up the system to answer questions through email, chatbots, and even voice responses that sound exactly like you. The current technology can handle specific scenarios with impressive accuracy. The AI clone can respond to routine strategic questions using your established frameworks. It can draft emails in your voice and tone for common situations. It can provide guidance on hiring decisions based on your documented criteria. It can even participate in Slack conversations, offering your perspective on operational challenges. Voice synthesis technology, which is a product like 11 Labs, now creates responses that are virtually indistinguishable from your actual speech patterns. This isn't robotic text-to-speech. The system captures your unique vocal characteristics, the way you pause before making a point, how you shift tones when you're being directive versus collaborative, even the subtle inflections you use when you're thinking about a problem out loud. So when the team receives a voice response from your AI clone, they hear you speaking with the same warmth, authority, and personality they know from face-to-face interactions. You know what? Think about it this way. The system records 15 minutes of your speaking, analyzes your vocal tone, pace, inflection, and speaking style, then generates new audio that sounds exactly like you, saying words you actually speak. Your team hears your voice delivering guidance on their specific questions, even when you're in a meeting or asleep. The technology has reached a point where most people can't even tell the difference between the AI-generated voice and your actual recorded speech. But here's the reality. It's getting close, but it's not a replacement for you. The system can handle complex queries that require reasoning through multiple factors, not just simple question and answer responses. For example, when your sales director asks, should we discount this enterprise deal to close on this quarter versus holding firm on pricing, the AI doesn't just spit back any generic answer. It considers your documented pricing philosophy, your current quarterly targets, the strategic value of this specific client, your past decisions on similar deals, and your risk tolerance. Then it provides reasoning that sounds exactly like how you'd walk into that decision in person. But here's the question you're really asking. Will this actually replace you? Can it run your business while you're on vacation with your family? The honest answer is more nuanced than a simple yes or no. So here's what you need to understand. The technical architecture that makes this possible, what it actually costs to implement, and where to get the complete resources to build a system for your business. So here's where you get the complete blueprint. I've condensed hours of research into 7 complete documents covering system architecture, cost estimates, database structure, security protocols. Now let's break down what you need to know as a business owner, how this actually works, what it costs, and the timeline to get it running, as well as the security measures that protect your data. So here's how this actually works from a business perspective. We connect to your existing tools, Google Slack and your document storage, recorded meetings, strategic presentations, everything that you already use. The system pulls this data through secure APIs and learns your communication patterns and decision-making style. The system learns you in 3 different steps: capturing your existing communication, conduct structured interviews about your decision-making, then fine-tune the AI model on your leadership style. Your involvement is 15 hours upfront, then 1 hour monthly for oversight. Timeline is, let's just call it about a year, right? About a year from start to deployment. The tech stack uses enterprise-grade components that handle unlimited simultaneous queries without performance issues. And the cost breakdown is nearly $1.4 million in year 1, and then $1 million annually after that. This would be the ongoing cost. The ongoing $1 million covers your specialized team, infrastructure, and continuous improvements that keep the system sharp. Here's the math on why it pays for itself. If you're worth, just say $200 to $400 per hour and you spend 15 minutes answering each question, that's about $50 to $100 per response. The AI system answers that same question for you for just say 2 cents. Security keeps everything in your controlled infrastructure with enterprise-grade encryption. No data shared externally ever. I have a prediction about where this technology is heading that will change how you think about running a business. But first, let me recap what's actually possible right now. Here's what's possible today. The system reads every single piece of text that comes to you. That's emails, Slack messages, documents, as an example. It learns from your responses and updates daily with unlimited memory. When someone asks about pricing strategy, it doesn't just give generic advice, it applies your specific frameworks, considers your risk tolerance, and responds exactly how you would. But here's where it gets interesting for the future. You can connect the system to other business systems. Imagine your AI clone making decisions about finances based on your criteria, handling initial hiring screens using your standards, even managing training programs with your methodologies. I think we're heading toward a future where AI agents will actually run businesses. The only things left for humans will be creating relationships, solving problems for other people, and making more money for themselves. So picture this: AI clones for every type of business role. Sales, operations, finance, all communicating with each other using the decision frameworks that you've established. The future isn't here yet, but the foundation we're building today gets you there.